Time check guys, 2 p.m. and we are here in Lizelle Aesthetic for Love Yourself Day. Ayan, so pumunta ko dito para lang mag underarm wax. Ayan, so I'm still waiting kasi meron pa silang customer dun sa loob. So I'm just here outside para lang mag-film ganyan. So gawa-gawa ng video pa. And ayan, panotice naman tong mirror dito sa Lizelle Aesthetic. Ang napakaganda talaga guys. So hindi na talaga ako nagpatumpik-tumpik pa at nag-film na talaga ako kasi napakaganda talaga ng mirror. Sobrang clear talaga siya sa camera. At the same time, napakaganda naman ito guys yung aking top. So check this out guys. Color pink siya and this is from basta ilalagay ko lang yung link sa ilalim guys for this top. Napakaganda niya. Lakas makapag-gets ng top na to. And sobrang press ko sa katawan. Hindi siya mainit. So I guess perfect siya for hot weather. So ayan, so I'm here at Lizelle Aesthetic. I am waiting for my turn para for underarm waxing. Kasi kailangan naman mag-wear ka ng mga sleeveless na mga ganito na top hindi ka naman waxing. So yun lang guys, if you want this top, you can just click the yellow basket below. And that's all guys. Thank you and have a nice Sunday.